Welcome to my episode 1 of Cooking Food for the Homeless every Sunday. Let's get it. So today we are cooking some beef burgers. So this is the beef sausage patties that I prepped earlier. This one is already cooked though. It's right now we just need to sear it up and put it into burgers. So for veggie today we are getting some lettuce, tomatoes. I don't know if they are allergic to anything, so that's why I'm not gonna be putting any onions. Hopefully sesame seed won't be a big problem. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. Keep watching to the end and follow for more content like this. Thank you. These buns are getting toasted nicely. You know, for me, what my rule is whenever I sell food, if the food I'm making isn't good, I don't want to sell it. You know, you wanna, in the food industry business, man, it's really hard and really tough. And for me, if I wanna, sorry, I was just mumbling. And sorry for my broken English. I'm trying so hard to learn English. Been in Canada for 10 years already, but well, still broken English. Well, at least I'm getting better every day. You know, the effort counts. At least I tried to be a better person every day for myself and for my family. Okay, now these buns are getting toasted. We're gonna put it in the box. There we go. Ooh. Yeah. There we go. Okay, 3 more buns. Now let's layer everything together. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, there we go. Ooh, this is what I call the slapping sauce. Super yummy and delicious. Anyway, this is not a video of advertisements. Okay. Whoa, look at this. Look at my beef sausage patties. Don't you wanna eat this? Oh my gosh. Okay, these are done. Put them together. Which one is going to be easier? So I think the tongue is going to be much easier than... Yeah, there we go. Okay. These are looking great. Oh, this actually makes me really hungry. I don't like this though. Give me a better one. There. Okay, so every burger is gonna have 2 slices of tomatoes for health. I'm just kidding. Okay, 2 pieces of tomatoes. Ooh, 1 extra. Who's gonna be getting this one? Oh, just kidding, it's me. What do I put first? Lettuce. I'm gonna close these burgers. Okay. Ooh. Okay, let's see. Man, super yummy burgers. Okay. What do we need now? Oh my god, these are so small for my hands. Ah, my god. Wait, look, this is actually my size. So weird. Okay, there we go. Okay, we can have a little bit of tortilla chips for snacks. Okay. Shimbo, that's super tasty. Okay, mayonnaise on top. These are all looking good. Now we're gonna pack it up. Wow. Is the thermal bag to keep the food hot. So how should we stack them? Okay, there we go. Okay. Close it up just to make sure the food is still hot and warm for everyone to enjoy. Hey, hey, come on, man. Okay, perfect. Okay. You guys hungry? Okay, let's find somebody to give out food. Hey, you guys hungry? You guys hungry? You want food? I got burgers. You want burgers? Burgers?
I thought you said buy some meat.
No, burgers. Okay, go guys.
I want to buy brownie peanut butter. Huh?
You hungry? You got burgers. Hey man.
That one's my mom, Nacho.
For your mom?
My mom, Nacho. Yeah, they're
Okay, yeah, sure. No, like I gotta share for everyone else. You guys have enough.
that one's my dad.
No, that's enough. That's enough. That's enough. Yeah. You want burgers? Okay. Yes. There you go, man.
Very nice to you, man. Very nice to you. Very
Yeah.
nice. This gentleman
I do
right
this
here.
like once a week.
Well,
so.
you know what? That's very nice. What's your name?
Felix.
Felix, that's a
Yeah.
beautiful thing you do, brother.
Thank you.
This gentleman right here.
Yeah, I have been to like document.
Yeah, no worries. That's great. That's very nice of you. 'Cause these
There you go,
people
man.
appreciate it. They're good. Here.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. That's a nice compliment. You guys want burgers? Oh, I got him already.
We got
I got
him over.
you.
Okay, good. Oh, this gentleman right here.
I only have two left. Two left.
Yeah, for sure. He's good.
Okay. One more. Just one more. You guys want to share? I only have one more, so I.
Share. Let them share. Please share. Share it though.
Okay.
Folks, okay?
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you, bro.
Yes.
Very nice
Yes.
to you. Yeah, I'm Larry.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Very nice to meet you. Is this your car here?
Yeah, I've been. You know, I finished the
Oh,
food
Honda,
at the
Honda,
restaurant.
Where do you work? Is that who you work for? Honda? No?
No, I work at the restaurant.
Oh. We'll go eat there. I live down that way. So we go for lunch once in a while. Perfect.
Yeah, we
Thank
open
you.
tomorrow.
Thank you so
so.
much, man. That was
Yeah.
very nice of you. We
Good to
appreciate
see you,
that.
sir.
That's an
Yes.
amazing thing you're doing. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day. Sorry, man. That's all I have. Thank you guys for watching.